What is going on, people? I don't know why I was given surfer gang signs. Woo! So today we're doing something a little bit different just because it's tradition around here to do an apartment tour every single time I move. I've done 2 apartment tours so far. The first one was like a little room tour when I was living at my parents'. Last year's apartment tour was in a little hamster cage with a fold down bed. But today we have upgraded. Not necessarily today, but like a couple of months ago. I moved out with my girlfriend to somewhere a little bit more spacious. So we finally settled down in this place. It's a bit echoey, but that's because we have laminate flooring. That's the first thing I'm gonna mention about this flat. Oh, room tour, apartment tour. But yeah, I thought it would be nice to show you guys what my living space is like at the moment. This isn't like MTV Cribs, by the way. Don't expect anything like mad. But for now, this is just a nice little humble beginnings. We've made it our own. I'm really happy with it so far. I mean, it's not done yet, but all in good time. That is how you make a house into a home, even though this is a 1-story flat. So enough of this, let me show you around the front room first. So coming in from the door section, you can see we've got a nice open space. We've got a little desk area. We've got like a little living area. We've got our toys on display, but I'll get more into that in a little bit. Let's just move this out of the way. So this is our little work area, our desk area. It's a little bit messy, but you know, it is what it is. This is a creative space, my guy. So behind here is all of my girlfriend's past artwork. There's our clothes horse and our folder. There's a nice little backpack that I got from ikea that one time. Here are a couple of boxes and stuff that need to be sorted, but they're just there because, you know, live free. This is where my girlfriend primarily works, and I do put my laptop here and I edit here sometimes. It's a nice little space, especially where you've got like this whole setup going on as well. One person can be sitting there playing video games, watching a video. Other person can be doing stuff like on the desk, workflow. Of course, on the TV here, you've got to keep it educational. This is Virgil Abloh's Harvard lecture. That is actually really educational, by the way. We also wanted this place to be quite alive, I suppose you could say. So we got like a few plants. Forgive the ISO, it's a bit bright. But we got like a few plants, some flowers, because my girlfriend was sick a couple of days ago. I am a good boyfriend, come on. More plants. This is my favorite one because it dangles all the way down there, you know, progress and all of that. And this is our other plant, our main crowning achievement. But enough about plants. Let's see what is on our little display bookshelf, I suppose you could call it. So there was a time in my life where I was really into Funkos. So half of these are mine, half of these are my girlfriend's. You know, I got that little Love Life figure from Comic-Con, by the way. That's actually sick. And a little bit nerdy, don't tell anyone. So again, we've got plants up here as well. We've got Funkos. We've also got this is not a Moschino toy teddy bear. I got that from a charity shop, that was fun. More Funkos. We've got a little bit of a manga section here and some Scott Pilgrim versus the World. If you know, big man. Attack on Titan, Sailor Moon, you know, more games characters, anime characters, and we've got some of our books here. Most of these are art books, but some of them are mine, like, you know, the last 4 here. The Palace magazine, Places Plus Faces magazine, and a nice little untitled book. Let's have a look. Wow, that moved. But there it is. I'll place that down actually. So I'll show you my books as well while I'm here. Down here we've got some more Funkos. There's like a plant behind that plant with a little dinosaur Funko from Jurassic Park. And of course some more Funkos here. This is actually turned into a Funko collection video, mad. And that's everything on that wall. And right beside it, these are all of our games and movies. On the top here, we've got like an overflow of stuff. We've got a nice little cat that waves, very nice. An amiibo, I think that was from a turtle or a fish tank. Nice Pikachu plushie, an octopus. These are some of my photos. This is me and Dion. Dion made the beat to Pokemon Ruby, and who was Cthulhu, and Elita's Rhyhorn trapped in a psycho level. No, yeah, you get the drift. And this is me and my sister. You tell me which one the Butter's sibling is. These are all of our PS4 games, you know, like we share a collection now. So let me know in the chat which one of these games is the best. Personally, I'm prone to a little bit of Overwatch. And here we've got our Switch games and our movies. A lot of Studio Ghibli and a lot of Disney there as well. But I'll be honest, we watch a lot of YouTube. I think that's my fault really, but. So here is the living area. This is where I spend like 90% of my life, by the way. So let me just give you my point of view. This is primarily where I work. I sometimes work on a desk, but this is where I mostly work. This is my nice little coffee table that has been with me for years, by the way. This is a childhood table. It's a family heirloom. It's worth nothing. This is such a nice space to sort of chill in. Laptop game. Look at those stickers. That is very 2014. This is a book that I'm trying to read at the moment. Fun fact about me, I have never finished a book. So I'm gonna try and make this my first ever one. These are my coffee table books. I got the Palace picture book. This was super sick. You may have remembered this from like 2014, I suppose, was when I got this and showed it off in the latest pickup video. We've also got the Palace magazine. I was very gassed to get this. We've also got Places Plus Faces Volume 1. A lot of pictures in there. We've got the Untitled book Volume 1 as well. There's a lot of good stuff in here, you know, do it for the culture, that kind of thing. And the creme de la creme, my Bible, is the Wavy Garms picture book. This thing has so many sick points of references. You know, the photography in it is absolutely mental. I get a lot of fashion inspiration from these books, especially this Wavy Garms book. I was so gassed to get it when they released the ting. Over here as well, we've got a nice little bucket where we keep our pillows and blankets. I'm also rocking a PS4 gang. Here's a nice little chair, that's not mine. Here's our fat off mirror, which is good for seeing how bricked the fit is. This is where all of the stock for Rooks and Rivals lives. Everything on the top just gets folded and put into these little boxes. Super official and businesslike. And let's move on to the hallway. Now this is where the magic happens. As you can tell, it's super echoey. So I have to like sound insulate the thing. I have to put like duvets on the floor, hang things up and everything. But this is primarily where I do my filming. It's really dark, so I had to turn on the light. Normally I've got like big softbox lights like there and there pointing towards me, so it looks like it's pure daylight. But this is the wall. Fun fact, there was not a radiator behind that radiator cover. These are our various shoes. I'm currently wearing nothing but my Yeezys, my GTS's, and my Air Max 95s. There's nothing new there because broke boys for life. This place is not cheap, my good man. This is also a shoe rack that I've got to build. I might actually live stream that because it's hilarious. And this is the bedroom. Yes, my front room and my bedroom are two separate entities now. So here we've got another PS4. We like to play games together. Here we have my rail. Guess how much this rail was, by the way, from IKEA? £7. Yes, this was £7 whole pounds. That's like 2 meal deals. It's insane. Oh, even better, this TV stand, £9. We also have like a built-in wardrobe, but none of this space is occupied by me, by the way, so maybe I should go back to my 9 to 5 and my girlfriend should be the fashion YouTuber. And last but not least, in my last video everyone was asking me, do you even have a kitchen? Because I didn't show it, but this is the kitchen. You know, this is where I prepare my foods and sustenance. Microwave, electric oven, washing machine. But a lot of people, this stirred up a lot of controversy when people found out that people in the UK have their washing machines in the kitchens. Like, is this crazy to you? Can we like start an actual argument in the chat? Because this is all I've known. To me, this is absolutely normal and this is in every single person I know's house. But if this is an absolute mad thing, then please let me know. This is where we store all of our cups because we don't have a lot of storage in the kitchen. So we just use mug trees. I'll take all of my various wares for the kitchen. This bugs me to hell, by the way. This is actually doing my nuts in. That's a leak and it just drips like that 24 hours a day. Like, I've tried tightening the taps, I've tried doing everything and it just does not want to shut up. Like, it's mad. Did a lot of cleaning earlier because, you know, why would you do an apartment tour with a dirty apartment? And this is my little snack section. This is where I like to get biscuits and stuff. Oh, by the way, my mum went to the Philippines recently and she brought back some of these along with some other stuff which I've eaten, like dried mangoes and that. But hold tight, the Filipino snacks. If you know, you know, my guy. So that is basically it for the apartment tour. I didn't want to deep it too much. I just wanted to give you like a rough idea of what my situation is. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but we do call it home and it's like, it's really nice and cozy. This flat is built to suit both of our needs. Like, my girlfriend's an artist. Fun fact, she was actually the person who designed the Have a Nice Day in Young David t-shirts. Regular power couple. If you want to check out her work even more, then I will leave her Instagram page in the description down below. And that's pretty much it. That's my apartment tour. It's nothing mental, but I promise you the next apartment tour is gonna be like a full-on MTV cribs. We can have like a slide instead of stairs and like a 4-story building, rooftop access to like some mad views. The ambitions are high. So that's where I'm going to end today's video. Thank you for coming into my house in the virtual space. Again, let me know in the comment section how you would improve this space because I'm always looking for more ideas. Also, let me know which one of those PS4 games is your favorite. Overwatch over everything, by the way. If you want to support me, then the easiest way to do that is to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get notified when I upload a new video, press the little bell icon as well. If you like this video, give it a like. If you dislike this video, give it a dislike and get out of my house, big man. And with all of that being said, thank you for watching my video. Bye.